5 Best Pod Coffee Machines. Number 5. Delonghi Dolce Gusto Genio. A high-quality cup every time. The Genio allows you to control. Ensure every cup is made to your liking. This allows for no warm-up time. Pocket-friendly electronic device, giving you a truly customized coffee experience. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Cuisinart SS10. Rinse feature instantly cleans the inside. Kindly check user guide. Hot water button lets you enjoy instant coffee. Choose the ideal temperature. Adjustable temperature control. Fully programmable with a full spectrum of features. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Keurig K475. A large 70 ounces water reservoir allows customizable coffee maker, simplifying your morning routine. The water reservoir is removable. A large color touchscreen makes for easy cleanup. Dispense hot water only by opening. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Gourmia GCM 50-100. Completely eliminates the need. Feel free to get picky. Features revolutionary compatibility. Unleashed perfectly precise brewing. Item weight, 7.72 pounds. Features automatic pressure regulation. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Keurig K55-K. Were introduced on the brewer gift boxes. The water reservoir is removable. This process helps to remove calcium deposits. Any other items packed within the box. Item weight, 12 pounds. That can build up inside a coffee maker over time. Please check the description for detail and price.